We're installing a French drain system in between two homes. I'm going to walk you through it. In between two homes, when you share a swale and you have your rooftop water coming out of the downspouts, if you look up at the homes and you see the length, the run of gutter trough, that's not hundreds of gallons of water that's coming down during a rain event. That's thousands of gallons of water coming down per rain event. There's some slope between these houses, but it's just not enough to get it out of the turf grass. And there's been some water problems with the basement, so all the more reason to get rid of the water. No more water, no more problems, right? So here we are. We take a downspout and we run it over the French drain system. This is how you do a downspout to French drain. This is a pop-up. The emitter just pops up when it rains, and the water then goes over the sod that we're going to lay over top of this filter fabric. The water runs through it, through the stone of the French drain system into the pipe, and is evacuated off the property. Here is another pop-up to the home to the right of me, and then the front pop-ups. There's a downspout to pop up right over the French drain system. That's how you do a downspout to French drain. You don't connect them directly and fill the pipe full of shingle, gravel, and debris. That downspout goes under the walk, right in the stone to the pop-up. Water used to lay in here all the time. We're picking up that water as well, and we're going under the sidewalk to the curb, and this water will end up going down to the storm drain in the street. For a French drain system installed right the first time, give us a call.
All right, guys, until next time, let's all work hard to do it right the first time. We're going to keep it simple. You DIYers, stay tuned for more high octane.